my amazing creative humans. Welcome to AquaBloomBoutique. My name is Z, and today is another video log day. So it's Monday already, February 28th. It's the last day of February, and we're already going to March, you guys. Right now it's already 5:30 a.m. here in California, so I'm just simply gonna start my day off right now and start doing my work for Etsy. So just over the weekend I received 3 orders, so that's what I'm going to be working on today. I already finished all the Etsy order from last week already, and you guys saw that in the last week video log. So yeah, so let's just get to work. I don't have any updates, so we will just be working. And I'll be showing you guys what we've been working on for the digitizing class for the first week. It was pretty difficult, you guys. I didn't get it. I had to watch the video like numerous times and even watch numerous YouTube videos just to try to understand what they were talking. Yeah, so you guys see me do some tests out for that, and I will share that with you guys later because I haven't finished digitizing the homework for the first week. So I know tomorrow's already the class, so I have to at least finish it tonight so I can take a photo and share with the class, because I do really want to understand digitizing, so I have to work really hard, you guys. And I know I didn't get it last week, so I have to really just review the video over and over until I figure it out, you guys. But I did play around and did a little bit of some of the homework already, so hopefully I'll finish it tonight and do the tests out. So I'll talk to you guys later. Hey ladies, so I didn't do a little talk this morning because I want to get right into work. So right now it's already 10 a.m. here in California, and I'm just gonna update a little bit. So I finished most of my order. I only have one more shirt left, but Cloud's being needy now, so I'm gonna leave the shirt until later. And I'm not gonna ship anything out today. It's already Wednesday, but most of the items, I think all of them can go tomorrow, so I can just finish tender touch everything, package it, and request a pickup for tomorrow. And one of the shirt has to go UPS, so that one I will have to drop it off because UPS charge for pickup. So I will just drop off the UPS one, but all the USPS one I will schedule a pickup. So yeah, anyways, you guys, right now I am just gonna relax with Cloud and try to edit some video for YouTube. Since Cloud's being fuzzy, I can't really work on the machine because I was trying to do applique and Cloud was crying, so I had to stop and just not gonna do anything on the machine. So with Cloud being here with me, I could just do a little bit computer work. And right now I think I'm just gonna go back to practicing my digitizing since Cloud's with me and I could do that on the computer. Hey you guys, so right now it's 11:41 a.m. and I'm gonna head out to eat lunch with my husband because we always eat lunch at least once or twice a week together. It's a way for me to just get out of the house instead of just staying in my room working all day and on the computer, and you know, just a little bit fresh air. So I have that plan with my husband like every week, so I can just get out the house and meet up with my husband. It's quite a drive from my house, but I still go because I just, you know, need some place to take a break away from the house and working alone in the room all by myself. Yeah, so I'm gonna head out there and I'll see you guys later, and I will be working, finishing the last shirt. So you guys see that later, probably after dinner in the evening when everything is done, so I can just go to my room and relax and just finish the work and then play with my digitizing. I really want to play again. I didn't have a chance to play earlier because I was attending to Cloud. So, but hopefully later tonight when I'm done with the Etsy order, I can play with my digitizing, you guys. So I'll see you guys later. Hey everyone, so I'm back in this room. I'm getting ready to work. I came back from lunch with my husband and pick up my kids, and I took a nap and make dinner, and we cleaned up already. So now I'm just back in here. It's 6:43 p.m. now, so I'm just gonna get to work, and I only have this last shirt to do, so I'm gonna do this last shirt, and then if I have any time I'm gonna go on the computer, but if not, I'm gonna head to bed and then wake up to start off like doing digitizing and other computer work that I need to do. So yeah, let's just get to work now, you guys. Like and subscribe. Bye. See you next time. Bye.